If you're tired of loud noises ruining your work or playtime, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, ProHear 037. The ProHear 037 Bluetooth 6.0 hearing protection headphones caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive features, all for just $39.95. If you want a solid combination of hearing protection and entertainment, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ProHear 037 has a 30 decibel noise reduction rating, which means it can effectively block out loud noises while you enjoy your favorite music or take calls. With Bluetooth 6.0 technology, the connection is smoother and more stable, allowing you to move up to 80 feet away from your device without losing signal. Plus, the 1500 milliamp hour rechargeable battery provides up to 120 hours of playtime, so you won't have to worry about constant recharging during long work days. It's perfect for mowing, woodworking, or any noisy environment, as it combines safety with entertainment seamlessly. Now, some people complained about the earmuffs being a bit bulky. Here's the thing though. If you're focused on protecting your hearing while enjoying music, that bulkiness is a small trade-off for safety and comfort in noisy settings. This is perfect for you if you're someone who spends long hours around loud machinery or just loves to jam out while working. Skip this one if you're not a fan of over-ear designs or prefer something more compact. At $39.95, it offers a great value for dual functionality. Now, if the bulkiness of the ProHear 037 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a sleeker design and in-ear comfort.
Product number 2, 3M WorkTunes Connect. The 3M WorkTunes Connect wireless hearing protector priced at $59.91. What really grabbed my attention was its blend of hearing protection and high-fidelity sound. This model offers a 26 decibel noise reduction rating, which is great for anyone working in construction or operating power tools. You also get over 40 hours of battery life, so you can jam out all day without worrying about charging. The built-in microphone allows for hands-free calls, and the audio assist technology means you won't struggle with setup. This genuinely surprised me because many hearing protectors compromise sound quality, but not this one. However, some reviews mentioned that the ear cups can get hot after extended use. But honestly, if you're working in noisy conditions, the protective features far outweigh the minor discomfort of heat. This is ideal for you if you need reliable hearing protection while still enjoying music and making calls. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight, as it has a bit of heft. For the price, you're getting solid performance and sound quality. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a more compact design. Product number 3, Elgin Ruckus. The Elgin Ruckus wireless Bluetooth earplug headphones are next on the list at an affordable $38.99. I loved the compact design and the promise of 25 decibel noise reduction without the bulk of traditional earmuffs. This model offers OSHA-compliant noise protection and connects using Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring a strong and clear connection up to 50 feet. With 12+ hours of battery life, they can easily last through a full workday or long commute. Plus, the IP65 rating means they're sweatproof and dustproof, which is a must for anyone working outdoors. This part frustrated me a little. Earplugs can sometimes fall out, but the ergonomic design helps secure them comfortably. Now, some users have noted that the sound quality isn't as robust as over-ear models, but here's the thing. If you prioritize portability and comfort, this trade-off might be worth it for you. This is perfect for you if you need hearing protection that's easy to carry and great for active environments. Skip this if you prefer traditional earmuffs for maximum sound isolation. At $38.99, it offers great value for on-the-go protection. Now, if you're looking for even longer battery life, check out this next option. Product number 4, Calence Bluetooth 6.0 Hearing Protection Earmuffs, priced at $39.99. I was impressed by the incredible 120 hours of playtime. With an SNR of 30 dB, these earmuffs block out harmful noise while allowing you to enjoy music or take calls. The Bluetooth 6.0 tech means you're looking at a solid, stable connection without interruptions. Plus, the larger button design makes it easy to control everything, even when you're wearing gloves. This genuinely surprised me. The usability is a game changer for those in the field. However, some users mentioned that they can feel a bit bulky after a while. But honestly, if you're focused on safety and functionality, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if your work involves loud environments and you need something that also allows for connectivity. Skip this if you prefer something lighter or more compact. For under $40, it delivers impressive performance. Now, if you want something ultra lightweight with a longer battery, you'll want to hear about our final pick.
Product number 5. Awav Bluetooth Earplug Headphones. Last but not least are the Awav Bluetooth 6.0 earplug headphones, retailing at $35.99. What really stands out is their ultra-long 40-hour battery life and discreet neckband design. These earbuds provide a 29 decibel noise reduction rating, making them OSHA compliant and perfect for construction or landscaping jobs. The Bluetooth 6.0 technology offers a reliable connection and allows for hands-free calls. The low-profile design means they can easily be worn under a helmet or other PPE without feeling bulky, which I found to be a nice touch. However, some users mentioned that the neckband can feel restrictive. But here's the thing. If you prefer something that stays put while working, this is a minor concern. This is ideal for you if you need a lightweight, comfortable solution for long work hours. Skip this if you prefer the feel of traditional earmuffs. At $35.99, it's a fantastic deal for the features offered. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Calence Bluetooth 6.0 for its incredible 120-hour battery life and effective noise reduction. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Awav if you're looking for something that feels less restrictive. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.